Welcome to Miami, a vibrant coastal city in Florida known for its stunning beaches, diverse culture, and Art Deco architecture. It blends Latin American influences with a fast-paced nightlife, luxury shopping, and a booming tech and finance scene. Miami is a coastal city in southeastern Florida along the Atlantic Ocean. Our journey begins at the iconic Miami Beach, a world-famous resort city located on a barrier island off the coast of Miami, Florida. It is known for its white sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and iconic Art Deco historic district in South Beach. The area offers a vibrant nightlife scene, luxury hotels, and fine dining, attracting visitors from around the globe. With year-round warm weather and a mix of cultural influences, Miami Beach is a top destination for relaxation and entertainment. Across the Venetian Causeway from Miami Beach lies downtown Miami, a bustling urban hub known for its towering skyscrapers, cultural attractions, and business centers. It offers a vibrant mix of dining, shopping, and entertainment, with landmarks like Bayfront Park, the Perez Art Museum, and the Adrian Arsht Center for the Performing Arts. The Miami River flows through downtown Miami, connecting Biscayne Bay to the Everglades and serving as a key waterway for both commerce and recreation. It is lined with docks, marinas, and waterfront parks, offering scenic views and access to the city's vibrant riverfront. The Torch of Friendship is a large, striking sculpture located in downtown Miami, symbolizing the city's cultural diversity and its ties to Latin America. The area around it features lively plazas, art installations, and is a gateway to attractions like Bayside Marketplace and the Miami waterfront, making it a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Kaseya Center, formerly known as the FTX Arena, is a major sports and entertainment arena, home to the Miami Heat basketball team and hosting concerts and events. Nearby, the Museum Park Baywalk offers a scenic waterfront promenade, connecting Museum Park with stunning views of Biscayne Bay and access to cultural landmarks like the Perez Art Museum, Miami. The Dogs and Cats Walkway is a charming pedestrian path in Miami's Museum Park, offering a peaceful space for pet owners to stroll along the waterfront while enjoying views of Biscayne Bay. Adjacent to the walkway is the Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science, an innovative museum featuring interactive exhibits, a planetarium, and an aquarium that showcases the wonders of the natural world. Miami is the largest city in the southeastern United States and is also a gateway for international travel, with one of the busiest airports in the world. Its warm climate, diverse population, and unique blend of cultures make it a popular destination for visitors and residents alike. Thank you for watching.